In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text on a website with Inspect Element. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so head to the website that you'd like to change. So I'm at Golf Pride. So from here, we want to right click onto the web page and click onto Inspect. And now Inspect Element will appear on the right hand side. Then from here, you want to click on the little select an element in the page to inspect it. So click onto that. Now, so if I want to change that text, so I want to click onto it. Then to the right, there it is there. So I want to click again, double click, and then we got the text here. So click on the text, double click it, and now just find somewhere where you'd like to change. So I can go ahead and change that and say, welcome to golf. And then from here to save it, basically I want to click back on the site, and then we can close Inspect Element, and there we go. That's how to change the text on the website with Inspect Element.